my beautiful Tea Party Squad. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Takoa, and I do hope that you consider subscribing to my Tea Party. In today's video, it is going to be a plan with me in my social media section of my Classic Size Franken Planner. If you want to know more about what Franken planning is, I will put a brief description down below in my description box. But for today, I'm going to be planning in my August currently page for this 2020 and August monthly 2020 for my social media. Now, in this video, I'm also going to be sharing with you my sticker books I'm going to be using, because a lot of you have asked, like, what sticker did you use? What sticker book was that? And so I want to take an opportunity now to go ahead and share that with you. And also, you're going to get an opportunity to see how many videos I'm projecting to schedule for this month. And also, there possibly will be some changes to my schedule. But let's talk about sticker books first. So I thought I'd go ahead and keep up the same theme with my household monthly, and I wanted to bring in some fun florals, but I'm going to be using different florals for this. So I'm going to be pulling out some fun florals out of here. Also using these colorful boxes, I want to pull out some colorful boxes to match the theme or the colors that I'm going for. And I'm thinking about also using this budget sticker book, and I want to use that to incorporate the budgets that I have for planner subscriptions, planner supplies that I want to, purchase, all that fun things, and just keeping up with that in my social media as well, and things that I purchase for social media. So let me show you what florals that I'm thinking about using. And this is going to be like a fun, I love these stickers. Actually, I've been hoarding them. You guys, look at these florals. They are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. I've been hoarding them for quite some time, but I figured since this August time is like back to school, virtual learning type thing, I want to kind of use this element in there. This floral just reminds me of like back to school, planner girl theme. And so I want to use those florals in there. So with my currently, I normally don't overboard it or just overpower with a bunch of stickers. I just use this for my end of the month tracking. And usually I'll track like my top 3 videos or my top 5 videos for the month. I'll also just kind of write down some Instagram goals, that sort of thing. But all I'm going to do now is just go ahead and decorate, and then we're going to talk about what I'm actually going to be tracking in it. All right, so now that I am done decorating, I am going to now go ahead and write out just some ideas of what I kind of have as I was planning. So what I normally do with my currently page here, I normally use this for like keeping up with my top 3 videos or my top 5 videos for YouTube. But I want to be a little bit more intentional as to what I'm putting down in my currently and making it really work for me. And so I just thought that it would be great for me to set some YouTube goals and put that in my currently page because that's something that I want to continue going on each week. So I thought I'll just give myself 3 goals, achievable goals for the month of August, and then also doing the same thing for Instagram. Instead of like keeping up with my stats, I want to do goals. I want to have like a goal setting page in my social media. So I'm going to keep a track of my 3 YouTube goals, and then I also gave myself 2 Instagram goals. And these are going to be achievable goals that I want to continue to work on and hopefully be able to not only accomplish it, but do a little bit better and continue to get better with it. So that's all I'm going to do. And then I'm going to use that other side for like extra notes and goals. Right there where it says focus on. I'm just going to write some stuff on the side of that. Next up is my monthly. So there is going to be a lot of changes and with my schedule for YouTube and all of that. And I'm a little nervous but excited. So we're going to see. But for this side, I thought it would be good to, keep a track of or keep my sidebar as I was currently using it. And so I am going to actually be putting in YouTube and Instagram, of course. And this is where I'm going to write down like my top 3 videos for YouTube and maybe like my top 3 or top 4 Instagram posts for the month, and also keeping a track of that. Now, I still am trying to figure out how I can still incorporate my Instagram other than just writing in the post. And so I think I've come up with another system that I'm going to continue to start doing. But we're going to see. So now I am just writing in on those little purple colorful boxes. Those are the days that I actually want to film. And so the black colorful boxes there with the florals on the top, these are going to be the days that I'm actually going to be posting videos. So I'm going to try my best to keep up with this schedule, but we'll see. I'm hoping that I can keep up with it, but I do know that August the 1st, your girl will be putting out a video. But other than that, everything else should be as scheduled. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my tea party, I hope you consider subscribing to my tea party. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.